Hey guys, I'm coming to you today with this makeup brush cleanser review. Well, actually showing you how this works. As you can see, I was struggling to find out what pieces fit into my makeup brushes, seeing how all my makeup brushes are double-ended besides this one. Just a quick side note, don't mind the color on my hands. I was coloring some hair and I don't wear gloves when I use hair color. I only wear them when I do bleaching. So as you can see, the brush comes out. It's pretty dry. The only thing is you can still see the makeup that's on there. I'm not too sure whether or not it is the cleaner that I'm using or if it's just not getting it like I really want it to be. This particular makeup brush cleanser is battery operated. It's not a chargeable one like the other ones you see. Like I said, I did get this off of Amazon, and to be honest, I don't even remember how much I paid for this because I got it a little while ago and finally got around to being able to do this video for you guys. As you can see, this is my naked brush, and to be honest, I kind of ruined it a little bit with this process. As you can see, it's acting a little weird because the brush tends to fall out if you don't have the correct piece in there. Like I said, it's double-ended, as you know, and it was just rolling around up in there, and it makes some weird noises. But as you can see, it didn't really come like super clean, but you can see the water is really dirty now. I washed my brushes maybe a week or so. As you can see here, the machine's starting to get a little rowdy, and then, you know, the brush falls out. So this isn't going to help you too much with brushes that are double-ended. I don't have any brushes with a flat bottom. I'm in the process of getting some, but the ones that I'm using right now is what I have. And shoving them up, you got to be really careful, because if you're not, it's going to ruin the brushes and the bristles are going to be hanging and falling all over the place. So either you can like tape it or saran wrap it down and then put it in there, but I wouldn't advise you use your double-ended brushes on these. I would go back to the original way you'd usually clean them, like I did in my video. So you can see I'm trying to fix the tip, but it really didn't help too much. So the rest of this video, you're just going to see me using some other brushes so I can see how well they clean. But I mean, on the scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give this like a probably like a 6. Only because I don't have the correct brushes to use inside this machine, and I need to try another makeup brush cleanser. So I'll probably come back and do this one more time with a better option. And as you can see, this is my concealer brush. The concealer brush is what I wanted to do the most because that I use so much. And as you can see all of the dirt bubbling up inside of the bubble. So it was really cleaning this versus the other brushes that I put in here. So like I said, that's why I would give it a 6, because I do see the potential in this particular project. I just have to do a little investments to get a little better, you know, soap and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can continue to watch and see how well it goes in the rest of the process. Like I said, you can get this from off of Amazon. The link will be down in the description bar. And I hope you guys come back to watch more videos. Bye.